What's up? What up, chat? Oh shit, no music. What time is it? 1:50? Okay. What's up? What's up? We back. So bright in here. Alright, I send the Zoom call real quick. Chat, it's gonna be a huge event, so it's gonna be huge. Pause. Damn. We filling up here. Alright, let me restart my charts. Pushing Pete. I can't hear you. What do you mean you can't hear me? Do you guys hear me? You guys hear me? Hello? Hello? Mic check. Hello? Mic check. You hear me? Hello? You hear me? Chat. I need you guys to respond. You guys hear me? Yeah. We good? Turn your volume up if you can't hear him. Yeah, if you can't hear me, turn your volume up. Is it low? Let me check. Is it low? Let me check. No, it's not that. Is it low? Let me check. I don't think it's that low. Earlier stream was
debating on not closing half here.
Oh yeah, because I think we're at half risk, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's not low, right? Low, right? Yeah, it's good. I don't know what to tell you. P. Damn, everyone's spamming P. Alright, FOMC. Let's go. Let's get it. Who's in the call? Rickstein's here, Daniel's here, Marco's gonna be popping up, everyone's gonna be popping up. I think we just I think what was I gonna say? We honestly could just stay on stream. We took like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour break. I just got some food and got some boosted juice now, so chilling. All right. Okay, hold on. Let me go on. What's it called? Oh no, it's on the Federal Reserve website. Where? What up, Marcos?
What up?
Damn, it's been a while.
No, not at all.
I think I spent all day with you guys.
Not even a little.
I feel like I spent all day on a chart. So it feels like today. It feels so bad, man. I'm never doing this again. I'm kidding. Where's the speech at? Let me find it for you guys. It's at 2:30, right? Speech. Numbers come out in about. God damn, that was loud. Yeah, speech is at 2:30, so that's the meeting time. You have news that will come out in about 8 minutes here. So let's do a quick breakdown real quick of gold. All right, gold came down towards our targets. Our target at 1831 here. We tapped it, and I believe what you want now for gold. I know like this is technical analysis, and you guys might disregard this whole entire thing because you have news here, which price could do. Price might just disregard this whole entire concept here, but if you get close below 1831, which you did, I believe high chance this candle to the left there should drop down to fill the ranges to the left there, right? So you have clean traffic until 1822. Expecting price to tap target very soon here. FOMC numbers are expected to come out weak for the dollar. So if they're expecting a hike, then gold should continue to drop. Or sorry, gold should go up if anything. If news comes out with negative numbers, right? But we gotta see. Again, we don't know what's gonna happen here. We know what's expected, but again, market could be manipulated or so and such, right? So let's see what happens here. But technical analysis shows that price should come down towards 1822. That's your next minor support there. All right. So, and then GJ, I mean, GJ we're not touching. So it's only gold for now. But yeah. What up, Bifty?
Jumbo, what's up, Marcos?
What up? What up?
What up?
You guys had a marathon this morning, I see it.
Yeah, 5 hours, man. That was insane. 5 hour
Yeah.
stream. That was pretty crazy. You trade this morning? Any trades?
No, I didn't. But then when I seen you posted again jumping for FOMC, I'm like, all right,
Here,
catch this guys a little bit
you
here.
gonna show up? Nice. With this news, what's the take on gold? Take on gold is that technical analysis shows that we're driving down, but news can come out whatever it wants to come out as, and with news expected to come out good for or bad for $1, they're expecting gold to drive up, right? But again, let's wait for news. I'm usually gonna wait. I usually wait till I'll say 15 minutes after news to see what direction we kind of push towards with news. Hopefully today it matches with the daily bias, which is bearish. But again, who knows? Whatever numbers comes out as, I'm gonna wait simply for my ranges to form, closures above, closures below, like we usually do, and then take for positions, and hopefully we'll get something. But again, no positions until minimum 215-ish, 215. All right. There's a speech at 2:30, so let's see what to say. We're gonna be watching that, I guess. Where's Reza? He's here. Reza's in the chat today. Is he in the Zoom call? He's not, but he is in the chat. Yeah, the press conference would affect the market, especially if we don't see any type of movement. Usually, whenever we don't see the movement during the initial drop of the news at 2 p.m. with numbers, you usually see it happen during the press conference, which is like usually 30 minutes long, an hour long, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Depends what they talk about. Depends on what they say about the
Do you
economy.
actually listen to it?
Do I actually listen to it? Sometimes I do, but I think back then when I used to like actually trade during news like that, yeah, I would listen. I'll pay close attention. But now, no, I'm usually just looking at technicals.
It's all about interest rates.
Yeah. BTC, yo, my chat's moving so quick today. I feel like I'm looking at Twitch chat. Any idea about GJ? GJ, you want to stay out, man. You want to stay out till Asian session probably, because Asian session opens up the yen. So London closed already. We did mention GJ buys earlier, which was I think around here, and we got a closure above, and then price continue up maybe for another 9 pips, and then kind of just came back down to support. So nothing for me now. I'll give an update during the Asian session in the Discord server for positions here, but for my day bias on GJ and what I'm looking for a day. But as of right now, there's nothing. Hopefully we can close above this resistance on the daily time frame above 154.469, and tomorrow's daily candle should pop up towards next resistance, which is gonna be up here at the 154.200 mark. So you have that. All right. And then gold for a daily shows that we are going to close bearish today. And if we close below 1834 today, which it looks like we should, unless news goes the other way, purchase price the other way, then we should drop down tomorrow towards like 1822 or even like possibly 1813. But I wouldn't have high hopes for this being the daily candle on gold, as you have interest rates here in about 3 minutes. This thing could literally flip bullish, for all we know, and drive all the way up towards 1867. Who knows for a week, right? It's gonna be chill. Already on GJ, if you get a closure below down, already on GJ tomorrow. If you get a closure above, potentially, yeah. Potentially. Yeah, if you close above that resistance here, right around here on the daily. We have like 3 hours left though, that's a lot of time. What should we listen to? Wix, are you here?
Yes. What's going on?
Oh, you busy right now, I can tell.
So Wix.
I'm available when I need to be.
All right, I need you available right now. I need to know what direction prices drop for news.
Oh, shit, hold on, I'm getting a phone call.
Busy, dad. Chat. If you guys are
Important.
if you guys are gonna have biases and seltzers for news here, just be careful, right? Be careful, one, because you're gonna have you might get what they call a whipsaw, right? So what happens in a whipsaw is basically price pushes up and then price pushes back down, and then it activates your biases and sell stops. I'll be careful. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking any biases and sell stops. We never do, right? You guys know that. But if you guys are, just be careful. You might get slippage, other stuff that comes with it, right? So you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Just careful though. My spread is 10 pips. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. There's news. What's gonna happen?
Especially with things like this. It's not just numbers, it's what they say. So it could be hawkish one sentence and then dovish the next sentence, right?
Yeah.
So,
But that's at 2:30 though. I think it's just numbers right now that they have. Let's see. Marcus, what are you gonna do?
Just observing.
All right. So numbers will remain the same. Oh, chat. Sounds like take sells, take sells. There's numbers. If there's no movement, usually there's a movement during the speech, which is at 2:30 when they talk about it. Talk about what's gonna happen and what they're expecting to happen next. To drop some info there, but as of right now, looking like we are just gonna be. I mean, is that it? Is that it? Is that like what the hype was today? Not the hype, but that's pretty crazy. Full margin stop loss hit. Damn.
Remember we said we moved so much in that session. The FOMC, I don't know, this 2 o'clock FOMC might not really move as much.
This could have been priced in already, right? Is what you're saying? Like that could have been the move for FOMC, right?
Not necessarily, but yeah, I guess that would be your translation. But we could still get a move. But I think that was the majority of our move for the news that are coming, because the news is expected, right? They pretty much know.
Yeah.
What's the outcome here of these meetings?
GG's moving more right now. GG just 1 hour fake out just occurred here. 1 hour closed below. Next 1 hour came up, breaking the highs right now. I mean,
Just making it a topic.
yeah, GG's flipping bullish on a 4 hour time frame. Should continue up towards 154.770 here. Looking pretty solid. Well, that's it for gold.
Give it a minute.
Yeah.
Give it a few minutes. GJ saying volume though. Once this gold flips.
Sure, man. I'll be here for a bit. I'll be here for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Alright, G looks kind of clean, man. Not gonna lie, it looks cleaner than it did during NY session. Yeah, high chance today we close above this resistance for sure. Now look at this. Well, not for sure, but 2.5 hours left. If we close above, expect 155.423 tomorrow, or 555.114. Looking real solid here. Gold create a new steeper 4 hour bottom wick, coming down and break the lows now. So if, I mean, there it goes. There's a 4 hour flip, and here's the push down. Tentacles show that we're bearish, right? I'm going off of tentacles. We don't know what's gonna happen with news. No one knows, right? But what we do know is tentacles shows that we're bearish. And that's all that was. 1 hour broke the highs. 4 hour came up. New bottom wick. Should fill 22 here. And if that breaks, then so chat. Here's the thing. So if the direction is bearish for gold, right? What we can do now is simply wait for a potential item play later, or maybe even like sells below 1822 here, because we can't get in here. This is a news candle, right? We can't get in right now. But you can get in once you break below here, coming down towards the TP at 1810 here. So you definitely can catch that for a day. But you need a closure, right? Next candle closes in about 25 minutes here. And if you get a closure, I will be looking for positions potentially. Second sells part 2 today. Basically. Sells part 2 today. Does anyone use sell limits or buy limits? People do, but it's kind of hard to get a limit to order there. I don't know. Yeah, people do. I don't know. People definitely do with different strategies. Someone told me that's part of Wall Street. Wall Street. It's just it's just like natural at this point. It's just like we see it all the time happen, right? We see like price create a top wick, new forward count, flips bearish, breaks the lows, has volume to drive down. So there's definitely volume now. We're just gonna take advantage of it now, and this is the good part, Chad. This is the good part now. We got the news over with. Numbers came out how they came out. Price is going however it wants to go. We're just gonna follow the trend. And remember this morning, chat, when everyone in the chat was looking for buys on gold. We were warning them here. Look at this though, right? This is the first 4 candle closure below this range here. This range here has been ranging for maybe, I don't know, like how big is this range here? Like 7 days, like for a week, right? And this is the first time we're closing below this range here. So there's a high chance with the closure below that indicates volume, and that volume should push price down towards the next support, and that's gonna be at 1822. There's literally nowhere else to go. Look left. Where's your next traffic? Right here. Break there, going down towards here. This is clean, and this is clean. And if you miss the sells, don't worry. In the future, at some given point, once you set to range a little bit, you can use these candles here as clean traffic to drive price back up. Because that's what this was. If you missed the buys that day, at some point you get the sells coming down to fill the range, and it looks like it's happening today. So you never really missed a move. What are you gonna say, Marcos?
Didn't say anything. Just watching gold move 80 pips in 5 minutes.
80? Really?
7 minutes, yeah.
Oh yeah, it was 80. It was up to 33. That's crazy.
I actually thought they were gonna surprise raise it.
The interest rates?
Yeah.
That's why I think there's volume. That's why I said earlier that I think there'll be volume no matter what, because the fact that people are they don't 100% know. There's people that think they're going to surprise raise it. There were people thinking that they're going to leave it. The fact that not everyone is agreed on one thing. Everyone makes a decision as soon as the rates come out. So that's why there's volume. Even in crypto, the gas on Ethereum is 0.07 right now. Now you see crypto going up.
Really?
Everyone was waiting. Everybody was waiting for FOMC to make a decision on, including myself, on crypto and USD, gold, everything.
That's so interesting how it affects crypto.
Yeah, people have been talking about it for 2 days straight, waiting for this moment. I was liquid waiting for this moment too. It's just everybody was waiting. Mostly because of the last time they did the rate hike in COVID, it made such an impact.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
Well, not like there's an entry, but it's fun to look at.
Definitely fun to look at. I wonder who went out the way and got positions and buy stops. Yeah, chat. Anyone had buy stops and sell stops? If you did, how did it go? Be honest. How did it go? Don't lie. No reason to lie. No shame.
No shame.
No reason.
Marcos, do you actually buy and sell on your terminal, or just focus on NFTs? I'm talking about crypto.
For crypto, I use spot. I just buy it on Uniswap on the chain. I only go on the chain. I don't trade crypto with leverage. I don't think that's very smart, personally.
Crazy volatility.
Yeah, it's too much. It's volatile enough. You don't need to use leverage. Leverage is for markets like FX, legacy markets that don't have enough volatility. Like if you buy the dollar and then sell a dollar for 1 cent more, you're not going to make anything, but because there's no volatility, so you need the leverage.
And I use leverage. You're familiar with what's it called, Bitmax or BitMEX?
Yeah.
Man, I had like a small trading account. I got smoked in like a blink of an eye using leverage. It was crazy.
It's a different beast. You get liquidated. You could literally like
so fast.
If it's a KYC broker, they're gonna be knocking at your door. Crazy. Try Kraken. No, did you not listen to what I just said?
Kraken.
I said I don't want to trade leverage. Are you talking about? Is that a DEX? Yeah,
Damn, people look at the chat. People actually took positions.
Lost $300.
Someone got their ass whipped, their ass handed to them. Someone said.
Secured 1K at 4-hour flip, up 60 pips. Lost my account.
Are these honest answers, man? Fuck, damn, that's tough, man. I warned you guys, man. Come on, warned you guys. You know, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. If you're just trying for fun, I guess it's for fun. But you know, what's the point? Why want to lose money for fun, right? Cause look at them. Numbers came out how they came out, and we're just here chilling. We have our levels drawn up and marked up. We see support resistance. We break that, we're coming down. If you don't, we're gonna stay in this range. And now this is the new range that we got focused on now. This range might become this range eventually if it doesn't break out, right? So very key to wait for an actual breakout here. You don't want to be caught in this mess again. And I think if you don't move today, tomorrow's NY session should be interesting. Tomorrow we have tomorrow morning 8:30 we have advanced GDP, and then Friday you have price index. When's NFP? Next Friday? NFP is next Friday, February 4th. There's no movement on CAD today. I think it's hitting support 1828. The minor support probably. Yeah, you have a speech though, Chad. Be careful. You have a speech, so that should move markets quite a bit later on, in about 15 minutes here. I have it on my side here, right here. It's at 2:30 Eastern. I'm surprised GG moved. Why did GG move? Dollar again, I guess. What the fuck just tuned in? What's going on with gold volatility? This is FOMC. We've been talking about it all day today.
Come on, man.
Come on. Like the first
1824. Damn. Went way down.
The first thing you gotta do every day is look at the Forex factory folder. It's very key. Look at that. Before you trade every day, just look at that. Okay, once you look at that, you have a better understanding of what's gonna happen today.
Tomorrow's gonna be interesting on gold. We'll see. I think hopefully we close below that support, then we can get an aggro day on gold.
Gold? Aggro day?
Tomorrow.
Not bad.
Below like 1825.
to retrace the rest of this candle. Yeah, I mean, no, 25? You mean 33 or below here? Which one?
I want that minor support gone too.
25? You want this to break? 26?
Right there, 26. And then we take the next, 140 pips tomorrow.
That'd be great. Yep.
Side game call, that board game. Risk. Marco sounds like he's playing Risk right now. Take that out. I want that tomorrow. Speaking of Risk, there's some serious ish going on between Russia and the other guys.
Oh yeah, Ukraine.
They're actually thinking about taking that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see that, Marcos?
No,
Russia and Ukraine.
I have not seen that.
You'll probably hear about it next couple of days.
Gonna affect everything everywhere. Currencies, oil, of course.
Marcus, if you're recommending any YouTube channels to learn about NFTs, which one would it be? Control FX.
No, I said Twitter. I have like a. What was that, bro? Again?
No, my controller fell, bro. Relax.
Bro.
It's on my desk. It's on my PC. It just dropped. I was. Go on. How do you hear that?
Yeah, we all heard that.
What do you mean by I hear that?
Down.
You can go to, if you go to the Discord and go to NFTs and then go to pinned messages, I've linked about 20 to 30 accounts to follow. It's a little outdated, but if you follow those people, like you'll get recommended and retweets that you could just keep following other people. That's like a good core. It's like from August.
What would you say is the babypips.com of NFTs?
There isn't one. Twitter.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a bit different.
The problem with Forex people is they try to get into NFTs and think it's gonna be you're gonna have a playbook and stuff. Like it's not like that.
I guess it's like NFTs still kind of new.
It's just it's just not even a little bit the same. Like I could say the only like thing that might be the same is like taking profit and like breaking even and stuff like that. But it's like not even close to like relevant. It's really just like all volume and paying attention and being early.
Algo being aggressive, like meaning that since there's ranges in a higher time frame, it should lead to having a lot of potential positions the next day on a small time frame.
Agriculture.
Don, I have a question. Daily on GJ was bearish today, but previous candle was doji, so we removed doji and look at the one candle behind. Correct. But when we start looking for a reverse, when price broke doji high. When price breaks the previous candle high, that's when you would change your bias. The previous candle, not the doji.
Doges are like
Oh, Sam, yeah, Sam, I didn't see your display picture. I forgot who you were. Yeah, no, I should have known you were trolling. Pardon, what'd you say? Ifty?
No, I was just saying, doges are like washout candles. You just go to the one previous to it.
Yeah, you just kind of block the current candle out, the previous candle out, or the doji out. Is there any Indonesian here? Probably in chat. If you ask chat, yeah, they'll tell you where they're from. It happens all the time. Look, chat, where you guys from? Put your flag down. Where you from? What up, sad? What's going on? In a GU buy. How's that GU looking? I want to see GU actually. It's a good idea. No, we won't take positions, but we'll look at it. Weekly is heavily bearish. Pardon?
So my charts are closed.
Week's bullish. Daily's bullish. Daily's bullish, right? So you probably want your positions to be bias to be above here for me. if I was looking at this, this is a resistance. This is your support. This is your support, and that's the range we're in. You want buys above there, pushing price up towards next resistance, which is going to be roughly around here. Range going up is solid 23 pips going up. So you want to close your above, and then you want to execute buys as you break above 15231. The good thing about this as well is the flip of this 4-hour candle is also the break of those highs. So you have that. On top of that, you have the daily candle re-breaking highs right there as well. So closure above is all you need here for buys going up. Since you closed bullish yesterday at support right here, right? Support formed, should come out to retest that range. Damn, gold. Toronto, Brazil. See, everyone said where they're from. Crazy. Brooklyn, UK, North Korea. ETH is dropping. What you mean? I was looking at it. I was just pushing up. So Marcus, what does that mean for Ethereum?
Okay, fine now. At this point, 1 ETH equals 1 ETH. To me.
Whatever price goes, price goes.
No, but really, my goal is like just to build my ETH stack because I'm bullish on ETH long term. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not worried about right now. 10 years from now, like I'm more than confident that it'll be, you know, a lot higher. So I'm really just focused on building my ETH stack. And if I pay myself in USD, obviously. So whatever the price is, whatever the price.
Yeah, Chad, this doesn't make sense to like, if you're truly bullish on Ethereum for like long term for the next couple of years, there's no point of like trying to find a wick entry right now. There's no needs for you to, you know, find like that perfect entry. Just get anywhere and then hold for the next 10 or so years if you truly believe it's bullish. There's no reason to like, you know, like it's not that hard to be trading crypto if you're truly bullish on it.
If you're trading less than $1 million, you shouldn't really be trading Ethereum anyway. Like Ethereum, if you're not going to hold it for 10 years, don't trade it. You know what I mean? Just either hold it, or if you're going to trade, get into micro caps, stuff that could actually 10x. You know what I mean? I can tell you right now, Ethereum's not going to 10x anytime soon. So don't buy Ethereum hoping to make money if you only have like $1,000. Buy it and hold it long term. Like Dom with his XRP.
Yeah, which I sold for Ethereum. Put all into Ethereum out then.
Marcos, have you used any of those credit cards where you get crypto back in them or crypto linked to it, like for like daily use?
No, I don't. I just stick with like Chase and Amex.
Cool.
The best investment at the moment? Real estate.
That's such a broad question. I think real estate's always a good investment.
Especially with the hikes going on. Real estate.
Yeah. It's just if you really want to like be in it.
You won't lose.
BitPay card.
Your best investment is going to IML, brother. go to iMarkets Live.
To invest in yourself. Go buy a self-help book and then focus on not being poor later.
Yeah, that's true. You gotta start somewhere, right?
Buy Think and Grow Rich.
What's it called again?
What's it, Think and Grow Rich?
Buy Think and Grow Rich.
You finish the book, you're like, shit, I'm still poor. What is REIT? That's the second time someone said that today.
Really? Might be the same person.
Time to Google it.
Someone's gonna think Grow Rich is trash.
It's just something to do with real estate, I remember.
Real estate investment trust.
Oh.
Modeled after mutual funds. Is that what I was talking about earlier? Is that the name for it, or no? Maybe that's something different. Think and Grow Rich is trash. I don't think it's trash. I think it's decent. It just depends what you're looking for in a book.
BTC has never seen a stock market bear market. I'm pretty. At some point, crypto will see that eventually. You know, at some given point. I mean, it's happened, hasn't it? Right? Actually, no, it hasn't happened because, I mean, for Ethereum or crypto to come down all the way back to, you know, the where it was in like before 2020, like 2019, is possible, but it's, I don't know. Again, if you're truly bullish, you wouldn't care for that. Like price and drive down, like I can get it right now. Price and drive all the way down to 800, 1,000. I would care less for it. I would just be holding for the next 10 years. Eventually, we'll be back up to all-time highs, right? 7K, 8K, 10K eventually over time. Maybe not this year, maybe not next year, but over time. No need to imagine, Ali. It already happened. Bitcoin was at 19K at one point. That's crazy. Paul LeBear, what's going on?
Maybach music.
Sound effects, man.
Oh,
Yeah.
my chair's here.
You gonna build it?
Live unboxing. I wish it would just come built, like built.
Oh, it doesn't come built? It's not that hard, right? It's just the legs and thing. How much you pay at the taxes?
2,000, like just under 2,100.
I think better fix your posture, bro. I better not see no banana shaped back.
Banana shaped back.
I better not see the banana shaped back.
Yeah, Don, did you ever buy anything off of eBay before?
eBay? I think so. Yeah, why?
No, I'm just thinking about how long I'd wait for shipping.
Oh, it depends on where they're
Wait,
from.
Like 2-3 weeks sometimes. You know, Amazon, it's like next day stuff. It's crazy.
But from where though? Because eBay is just from like different places in the world.
Yeah, yeah.
So you buy something from like Asia, that's like 3 weeks to a month probably.
Really.
In America is maybe like 2 weeks, 7 to 14 days. Canada is like maybe 7 days on average.
Yeah.
Yo, pizza Wade. You got the embody? I told him you got the embody. I think he got the embody. Yeah, speech grenade. That's gonna be in 4 minutes here. It's so loud. Sorry. All I'm looking for today, chat, is to sell below 1822. That's it. And if you get buys later, like let's say the event comes, the conference comes, and price starts to push up, range 2 buys. All right, so this is your first range here that we're forming. Support resistance, range 1. If you get a range 2, let's say you form a new range right here. Let's say price goes up now, pushes up towards next resistance. Right, push up towards next resistance. At resistance, you tend to form a resistance. Price comes down. This is now a range formed, right? Support formed. As you can take buys out of here at support, or 2 want to close outside that range. But the whole idea is that you need 2 ranges here. Range 2 to go against the buys for a day. Now that we're bearish for a day, and that'll be above here, and that'll be my buys I'll take going up towards like 1844. But that's gonna be after or during the conference or after the conference. All right, but it wouldn't be here. It wouldn't be above 1832 because at any given point we can still drop down here. Since the forward candle is heavily bearish though. Look at the forward candle. This is the first close you got below. All right, and you close in about 2.5 hours. There's a lot of time in that forward candle to drop down still towards 1822. I wouldn't want to be in that mess. This is the latest stream. Now we did a stream during Asian before and during FOMC before too. This is the first time, but it's the first time in a while.
Yeah, definitely had a later one before.
But this morning, yeah, 5-hour stream for sure.
You guys catch any trades? Well, actually, if you did, you probably wouldn't be on for a 4-hour stream.
We took a trade early in the morning, like 7 a.m. Took gold cells. Where was it? Oh shit, this guy's back on his chair.
Throw out the box, bro. The box is too big. It didn't even go up the stairs.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's mad at me, bro.
How do I do this?
All right, test.
Is it a gaming chair or just a nice, comfy, ergonomic chair?
Nice chair. I need to put it up though.
It's ergonomic chair, I think, right? Pretty
Yeah,
sure
looks
it's ergonomic.
like it.
I don't even know what ergonomic means, bro.
It means it means it'll fix your banana shape back, bro. That's all you gotta know.
Oh, I gotta read the directions.
Have you opened position? No. If I'm in a position, you'll see me in a position. Yeah. So yeah, if you this morning we took the sells on gold here. It was a 1 hour sell. And those below this support here. It was this candle here. Gone to sell the next candle. Price came up, stopped the sell. It was a 4 or 5 pip stop. We closed half at 25 pips. And then maybe like an hour or two later, price started to push down further, like around 9 a.m. But we couldn't get positions anywhere later. Shit, it's up my throat. Because you never got closed below the range here, right? So I didn't take any impulse entries or anything. But yeah, price ended up pushing towards our TP, our initial range for a day. That was it though. What are we reading right now? Nothing. We're waiting for your this speech. Oh, it's happening right now. Probably they're gonna be late. Probably. Oh, they're not.
Good afternoon.
Let's see.
At the Federal Reserve, we are strongly committed to achieving the monetary policy goals that Congress has given us: maximum employment and price stability. Today, in support of these goals, the Federal Open Market Committee kept its policy interest rate near zero and stated its expectation that an increase in this rate would soon be appropriate.
Soon.
The committee also agreed to continue reducing its net asset purchases on the schedule we announced in December, bringing them to an end in early March. As I will explain, against a backdrop of elevated inflation and a strong labor market, our policy has been adapting to the evolving economic environment, and it will continue to do so. Economic activity expanded at a robust pace last year, reflecting progress on vaccinations and the reopening of the economy. Fiscal and monetary policy support and the healthy financial positions of households and businesses. Indeed, the economy has shown great strength and resilience in the face of the ongoing pandemic. The recent sharp rise in COVID cases associated with the Omicron variant will surely weigh on economic growth this quarter. High-frequency indicators point to reduced spending in COVID-sensitive sectors, such as travel and restaurants. And activity more broadly may also be affected as many workers are unable to report for work because of illness, quarantines, or caregiving needs. Fortunately, health experts are finding that the Omicron variant has not been as virulent as previous strains of the virus, and they expect that cases will drop off rapidly. If the wave passes quickly, the economic effects should as well, and we would see a return to strong growth. That said, the implications for the economy remain uncertain, and we have not lost sight of the fact that for many afflicted individuals and families, and for the healthcare workers on the front lines, the virus continues to cause great hardship. The labor market has made remarkable progress, and by many measures is very strong. Job gains have been solid in recent months. Over the past year, payroll employment has risen by 6.4 million jobs. The unemployment rate has declined sharply, falling 2 percentage points over the past 6 months to reach 3.9% in December. The improvements in labor market conditions have been widespread, including for workers at the lower end of the wage distribution, as well as for African Americans and Hispanics. Labor demand remains historically strong. With constraints on labor supply, employers are having difficulties filling job openings, and wages are rising at their fastest pace in many years. While labor force participation has edged up, it remains subdued, in part reflecting the aging of the population and retirements. In addition, some who would otherwise be seeking work report that they are out of the labor force because of factors related to the pandemic, including caregiving needs and ongoing concerns about the virus. The current wave of the virus may well prolong these effects. Over time, there are good reasons to expect some further improvements in participation and employment. Inflation remains well above our longer run goal of 2%. Supply and demand imbalances related to the pandemic and the reopening of the economy have continued to contribute to elevated levels of inflation. In particular, bottlenecks and supply constraints are limiting how quickly production can respond to higher demand in the near term. These problems have been larger and longer lasting than anticipated, exacerbated by waves of the virus. While the drivers of higher inflation have been predominantly connected to the dislocations caused by the pandemic, price increases have now spread to a broader range of goods and services. Wages have also risen briskly, and we are attentive to the risks that persistent real wage growth in excess of productivity could put upward pressure on inflation. Like most forecasters, we continue to expect inflation to decline over the course of the year. We understand that high inflation imposes significant hardship, especially on those least able to meet the higher costs of essentials like food, housing, and transportation. In addition, we believe that the best thing we can do to support continued labor market gains is to promote a long expansion, and that will require price stability. We're committed to our price stability goal. We will use our tools both to support the economy and a strong labor market, and to prevent higher inflation from becoming entrenched.
Holy shit, gold's moving.
And we'll be watching carefully to see whether the economy is evolving in line with expectations.
Cool.
The Fed's monetary policy actions have been guided by our mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. As I noted, the committee left the target range for the federal funds rate unchanged and reaffirmed our plan, announced in December, to end asset purchases in early March. In light of the remarkable progress we've seen in the labor market and inflation that is well above our 2% longer run goal, the economy no longer needs sustained high levels of monetary policy support. That is why we are phasing out our asset purchases and why we expect it will soon be appropriate to raise the target range for the federal funds rate. Of course, the economic outlook remains highly uncertain. Making appropriate monetary policy in this environment requires humility, recognizing that the economy evolves in unexpected ways. We'll need to be nimble so that we can respond to the full range of plausible outcomes. With this in mind, we will remain attentive to risks, including the risk that high inflation is more persistent than expected, and are prepared to respond as appropriate to achieve our goals. To provide greater clarity about our approach for reducing the size of the Federal Reserve's balance sheet, today the committee issued a set of principles that will provide a foundation for our future decisions. These high-level principles clarify that the federal funds rate is our primary means of adjusting monetary policy, and that reducing our balance sheet will occur after the process of raising interest rates has begun. Reductions will occur over time in a predictable manner, primarily through adjustments to reinvestments, so that securities roll off our balance sheet. Over time, we intend to hold securities in the amounts needed for our ample reserves operating framework, and in the longer run, we envision holding primarily Treasury securities. Our decisions to reduce our balance sheet will be guided by our maximum employment and price stability goals. In that regard, we will be prepared to adjust any of the details of our approach to balance sheet management in light of economic and financial developments. The committee has not made decisions regarding the specific timing, pace, or other details of shrinking the balance sheet, and we will discuss these matters in upcoming meetings and provide additional information at the appropriate time. To conclude, we understand that our actions affect communities, families, and businesses across the country. Everything we do is in service to our public mission. We at the Federal Reserve will do everything we can to achieve our maximum employment and price stability goals. Thank you. I look forward to your questions.
Oh wow, they're on. I didn't know they're on a Zoom call. I thought, oh, they're not there in person, I guess. Damn.
Buy or sell Jerome.
Now we go to Twitter and see what the smart people are saying.
Yeah, decipher the language.
Yeah, decipher, please. Thank you.
Damn. What's Twitter saying? I think the questions are pretty useful too.
Brad, we expect inflation to decline. I saw someone say that they were hinting at March interest rate hikes.
Yeah, March. April, I think it's in March, April.
So we're basically right where FOMC opened. We're right on the same spot.
No, exactly where we go.
Nowhere. And
I love that nice big fat indecisive candle because no one understands what that old fart said.
people are looking at it and they're like,
Can Bloomberg come out with an article, please, and tell me what actually happened?
who's pulling this guy's strings behind him?
Twitter is 99% idiots, or you're just following 99 idiots. You gotta follow smart people, man.
You see Don should Zoom for real. Don stream on that Zoom chat. Yeah, I mean now there's not much we can do here. We're still in the range here. At one point price is pushing down as we started speaking, but there's no sells until 1822 breaks, and there's no buys until, well, range 2 breaks, which is above 1837 probably. 1837.830. So then, chat, we're just gonna watch this thing do what it does. We have 19 minutes left. I might as well stay on for the rest of the 19 minutes here. The rest of this hour candle. If nothing happens, then
Let's just stay on for Asian.
see you guys tomorrow. Oh, hell no. We might as well do a 24-hour stream.
Yeah, run it back to New York.
Hey Don, is your streams monetized?
No, they're not monetized. Not monetized. I play music, right? So I can't monetize it right now. But if I stop playing music, I can monetize it. Oh, I know what to play. Stay on to tomorrow's stream. I need to sleep, chat. You took this YouTube live to another level. Soon they'll start putting speeches on their YouTube live. Do you watch the speech while I try to move as well? People are buying, but I don't know why. People do whatever I do. Oh, we might get some sells here. Pushing down. We might get some sells here in 18 minutes potentially. 1 hour closure below the range, which should be good. This is a no-no though. This is staying out. Cause look, right now the market's moving based on what they're talking about, right? But the moment that speech ends, it's back to tangles. Right? And tangles show us that we're closing below. We'll drive. All right, so are you guys in the Zoom? Are you guys gonna be open to positions, or are you guys done for a day? Like, what are you guys gonna do?
I'll probably be done for the day.
Do we want to be open for positions there?
Oh yeah, I would take that position.
80 pip range going down, man.
I need that though at
Closure.
I'm looking at the time. 3 o'clock.
Oh shit, yeah, 3 o'clock.
Or not.
Or we might just rip down here, chat. Impulse entries. Who's gonna be in those?
Wix 9 just got in.
How about new?
How about new?
About new.
I don't do anything impulsively. Unless, well, never mind. I don't do anything impulsively.
No, I don't think that's because even if this closes below, where's your stop gonna be?
Yeah, I think that's the first thing the chat everyone needs to ask. Where's my stop loss?
Don't worry
Yeah,
about my
100% stop loss right now.
Your stop loss will probably have to be the next new 1 hour candle. High if it creates a decent wick.
top wick,
I'm
yeah.
gonna fucking use a 1 lot. Like,
Yeah.
literally.
Oof, it's gone. Look at this thing drop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chat, if you drive through, we drive through. I can care less for it. I'm not getting any positions until we get closure below its range, right? But we're pushing down here. Looks like we should come down to the range here.
I hope it goes down and leaves a nice long wick.
Yeah. Just be careful,
Some
guys.
range to come down. I want some range.
You know what this is though? This is making a bunch of clean traffic for the way up.
In the future, yeah.
The future.
What way up? We're going to 0.
Quick.
What's
Back
gonna
up.
be our new pair? Silver.
You know, remember this morning when people were saying they're gonna buy gold at those levels? Where was it? I can point out, chat. Said you guys are saying buys here, you guys looking for buys here, buys here. Man, this is like your 5th entry by now. When we understand to follow the trend, you know?
Stacking.
You guys have like 6 positions right now.
I do love a nice long wick.
Go getting destroyed, bruh. Yeah. Look at that 4-hour candle, right? Look at the 4-hour candle, chat. We broke this down earlier. This is the first time we've gotten closure below this 4-hour candle range here. We've been ranging for a week. This is the first time you got a closure below the support. What do you guys expect is gonna happen? Same thing that happened this morning. Right? Look at the 1-hour candle this morning, or look at the 4-hour candle this morning. You got a support here. You got one closure, volume. Closure below, volume. All right, simple.
Remember the guy shouting buy earlier?
Yeah.
And he kept saying it, and he wanted us to acknowledge him so bad, and we ignored the shit.
No, this is just that, you know, we're not looking for buys, and that's it.
He's like, buy, told you, buy, buying, closed, up 10 pips, told you. I'm like, oh my god. He's like, check charts for stream, tech charts for stream. Oh my god.
Michael's got fed up on his stream.
Well, if it was my stream, I would have banned his ass.
Oh. 1 minute celery.
But hey, I guess gold's oversold now, right? Guess the gold is oversold now.
What's the nice 5-minute range?
Oh yeah, close below in the 5-minute. Good eye. Good eye, good eye. It did close below. That 5-minute candle is how big is this 5-minute candle? 78 pip 5-minute candle. 78 pip 5-minute candle.
Clean, closure below.
Here goes. We break this low here. There's a possibility we're gone here.
It's a 1-to-1, 70 for 70.
Oh, 15-minute close below. Okay, I see. Here comes 60 pips, chat.
Slow down.
Mm. 1814. Can we see?
Yeah, like that 1815 or 15.
I'm waiting for this 1-hour candle to close, guys. That's why I'm not in sales here. You got. I need a 30-minute closure or 1 hour. The 15 was fine here, to be honest, but it was the last 15 of the hourly. If this is like a first 15 of the hourly, second 15 of the hourly, it's fine. But since it's the last 15 of the hourly, I would have expected a bond week being created for this 1-hour candle to close, but. Terminal train view so off. Yeah, it's off. It depends on your broker. You started tanking? Really? Tanking? Tanking? Tanking. We have to reword that. Maybe dropping. Tanking, I don't know. Tanking will be like down here right now. What is Gigi doing? Oh man, Gigi's a mess.
Tanking.
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 It's like dirt.
Stupid pound.
Did you figure out troll down? Definitely MM. I'm playing. I got no faves. Who got their nose wiped? Reza, you here? Reza, what's going on? Your mic.
Yeah,
What up, Bran? What up, Reza?
What's good, bro? How is everybody? How's Devious doing?
The chat wants to know what's up. Chat loves you. Did you know that?
I appreciate-
How you gonna disappoint your chat?
I'm sorry, chat. What's up? I'm done stage 1 of my challenge. I'm on to stage 2. That's what's up, and I'm just doing school.
Wait, same company or what?
No, fuck that company.
Who you with right now? My
I'm
FOREX
with
funds?
My FOREX funds. Yeah, I talked to MM about it, and MM recommended it on. Their spreads are a little bit iffy. Other than that, it's okay.
I'm a part owner.
MM's part owner.
Pushes them hard on Discord.
Dude, you should you should be getting some.
Definitely on payroll.
Yeah, you should definitely be getting some sort of commission off that. What's
MM?
good, Circle? What's up, Nafak? Res is a chat. Do you have to wait for stage 3 to blow it? Yeah, you have to wait to stage 3 to blow it, exactly. Yeah, that was a crazy trade, Don, today. I
Golden?
can't believe you guys held that for so long. On the hourly?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's good stuff.
Haven't got affiliate link. How's your day today? What'd you do?
Oh, it was a bad day today.
Bad
I'm down
day?
2%. Yeah. Started the stage 2 Monday. Took just 2 trades today.
What'd you say? Gold cells?
Yeah, I took gold cells. And it just, you saw it, right? On the 30, it just
Yeah.
disrespected 15 and 30s, and you guys held on for the hourly, which was nice. Nah, I'm on stage 2, but like, overall, I'm just focusing on keeping composed. That's all it is. My
That's all it
technicals
is.
are-
At least you didn't give up.
Oh yeah, no, I'm way too deep to give up now.
Yeah, you're in too deep, bro. It's been how many years? 2 years?
Yeah, 2 years, bro. I'm in too deep. I've
Yeah.
seen Pandora's box, bro. I've been there. I've seen like it go up 4K in 30 seconds. I've seen Pandora's box. There's no turning back after that.
Wait, what does that mean though? You seen Pandora's box?
Pandora's box is like a box. It's like when you open it, you can never unsee it, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's like
Oh,
using
yeah.
like mythology, I believe. It's like, oh, you like now you know magic exists. You can never unsee it.
I can feel that. I can understand it.
Also appreciate all the love, chat.
Uh, 3 o'clock closure. We got 9 minutes.
Yep.
Look
Yo.
at reversed.
Gold closes from 5 to 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, for an hour. Which is weird.
Yo, also Don, the streams have been killing it, eh?
What? That streams? Oh yeah, thanks, man.
Yeah. First of all, I like all the improvements you're making. Also, I feel like there's more viewers and stuff. Leave a like, everyone who's in here. There's 300 people. Let's try to break 100 at least.
Day by day, man. Day by day, you know. That's all that is.
Alright, glad to hear things are going well. Good luck for the rest of the challenge, bro. Thank you, Connor. Me and everybody else in this chat, huh? You guys are all here with me.
Wait, Marcos, can I see your chair? Is it ergonomics? I mean, is it not ergonomics? Is it the embody or what? Doesn't look like an embody.
I got the Aeron.
Oh man, you scammer.
No, the Aeron. I mean, the Aeron's better.
Really?
Everyone I asked said to get the Aeron.
Yo, this is crazy. Look at the trader's domain chart versus trading view chart. Oh, now it's a little more similar. It was like way off.
Yeah, no, when it moves fast, trading view, there's like a delay or something.
The trade view has delay. It's cause it's still a third party.
Trading view right now is extremely bullish. Trader's domain is bearish right now. Look at your screen.
Yeah. Same with
Trader's
my.
domain is completely bear. Like it flipped the other way.
Yeah, when it's super volatile, you notice things like that.
Like they're opposite directions right now. The candles look opposite.
What is 1 hour candle
shit.
close below?
Yo, shout out chat. They got the 100 likes.
What?
Nothing. I'm just like, let's hit 100 likes, and they got 100. And the guy's like, 100 likes done.
I need a coffee, so my head blows up.
Oh.
What time is it? 6 minutes left for this 1 hour closure.
You gonna get the embodied, John?
I want the embody. It looks nice. I want it because XQC has it.
Yeah, I asked like 10 different people, and so my deal breakers were a few things. I know they're both comfortable. That's like the whole point. I don't think that's the issue.
Oh, this one, the air, right? The flow, airflow.
No. The reason I got this one was for 2 reasons. One, because out of the dozen people I asked, I would say 10 of them said this one over the embody. And 2, the Aeron, you can actually get a attachable head piece, but it's secondary. It's a third party, so it's not
You mean this shit?
Herman Miller doesn't make the head. Herman Miller doesn't make the head part. You have to actually buy it from a company. I think it's called Atlas. But it's made specifically for the Herman Miller, and the embody doesn't have there's no headpiece that you can get.
Oh no.
I think they're the same price though. The embody might be a little cheaper.
I think the embody is more. Let me check.
They're like the same price.
This is a massage chair?
No. Rick time. It doesn't come with the stuff you want, man. Don't worry. You don't need it.
Oh, Canada.
Some of those gaming chairs are like that now, right?
Oh no, it's more. It's more. It's 2K Canadian, 2.1 Canadian.
Holy
The
shit.
Aaron.
Nice.
Wait, hold on. Why is it range? Hold on, I gotta see. 2.2 for the Aaron.
Oh, well, so it depends what you get. So like for me, I have hardwood floors, so you have to get certain wheels depending on what floor you have. You pick the colors.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
That's another thing.
Why'd you get this one, bro?
This one's hella comfy.
For real? They're all comfy. I know they're all comfy, man.
That looks like an easy chair. That looks like those shoes that you be wearing.
That's dope.
It gives you superpowers, chat. Alright. I'm gonna get roasted for how much it costs, but you have to understand, this is where I spend my entire day.
Hey, thanks for a dollar in fact. That's true. Yo, in life, you only need to buy 3 things that are expensive. Some nice shoes that are comfy, a nice chair to sit on, a nice bed to sleep on. That's it. Those are 3 things you need. You need that are decent. Nah, you don't need that. You can do anything else. You can get your way around that. But you need those things to. You need those things to, like, to feel
Don't
good.
cheap out on your spine, bro.
Yes, Grant, I'm in trouble.
You only get one spine.
You don't want a banana shaped back, man. Yeah, speaking of that, I gotta sit up. I'd be like this the whole stream.
I've had like 3 or 4 different chairs that cost, various prices, $100, couple $100, and they all gave me back problems. So here I am. Anyway, it's a tax write-off, so it's $0.
You don't use that standing desk?
This shit's free as fuck. Yeah, standing desk. It's adjustable. It goes up and down.
No, standing. Do you have a standing desk?
Yeah, it goes up and down.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Cow? No, only GJ and Gold I call.
Yeah,
Cow pick.
Posture.
Yeah, for real. We need extra posture. Update the posture. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna set a reminder. That's a good idea.
Oh no. I hope you don't fall.
1 hour closure in 2 minutes here, chat. We may get some positions. Maybe. I doubt it.
Pushing hard.
Oh, we might not get a position. Might drive down all the way.
God damn.
God damn.
It's so funny.
Well, 4 hour target's what, 1810?
It's gone. GG. GG.
We had 1850 as a potential target. Just tap that.
There you go. 1814 gain tap there. Nice.
I'm not gonna lie, I really wanted that trade.
1814 gain tap right now, chat. Solid.
That's it. It's over.
It's over.
I'm pressing a little trash can and
How are we so far off?
1816. Wait, what do you at right now? What's the price at?
1817.
Oh yeah.
3.
Okay, I'm at 1815. Okay, I'm at 1817.
1817.5.
Train view is 1817. Because it's delayed, right? Train view is delayed. It's third party.
it sounds like TradingView is ahead, and you could just look at. TradingView.
Oh no, I'm ahead. Me, I see it coming down at 1814. Trading, and then there's Trader's Domain, and then there's Trading View. But you know.
Trader Domain 1818.
It's
right
like it's like future, present, past.
Discord crashed.
about to get a closure, like for cells on Trader's Domain.
Looks like it just mirrored that clean highway on the
Fellow
left.
juicer.
And that is it.
So it's a fellow juicer.
Look, we're closing on
Back
TD. Look at. Give me a fucking top wick. You.
For what? Positions? Wakefield? 1 hour close below the range here, chat. So 1 hour close below this range. It looks like we have left a wick fill here. So there's a potential chance that this next candle, once it flips after creating a top wick, it should come down to fill the wick. Come down towards 1814 officially. So if you guys were with us the whole day today, as you may know, we're majority of the day bullet bearish. We even attempt to sell this morning towards the 1831 target. We broke that, came down towards 1822, broke that, coming down towards 1814. So there was that speech that played out today. But again, at the end of the day, technicals will line up with fundamentals 80% of the time, and that's what happened today. Technicals shows that we're bearish, and prices happen to come down following technicals, and that's what we always do, you know, for any news event. NFP, FOMC, retail sales, we do the same thing every time. Just follow technicals. I've been here all day. Best train day of my life. Hey.
Look at GJ.
Oh man. There's your closure below the range. I think it's a range 2 breakout we formed too. If I'm not wrong. See, it's this 4 could just drive down towards the support instead. 1810 here. There's just a minor support right around here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna call that a day, chat. There's not much I can do here.
Yeah.
There's not much I can do here. It's getting a little late into the session. I mean, I was only here for an hour, and the only thing I wanted today was honestly this range right here and this range. The reason why is because after we tap here, it gets a bit choppy here. Look left. Look at this. Compare to this. What's cleaner? This, right? The next clean range you have is potentially below 1810. Below 1810, you have clean traffic until what is this? 1806. A 40 pip range going down, and then below 1806, you have clean traffic until like I don't know 1800. Below that 1892 or 1792. So yeah, ranges for tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow should be a good day. Be there at 6:30. If the daily candle closes today, look at that daily one more time. If we close today below the support, high chance tomorrow we come down for the rest of the range here. Or if we close below here today, 1816, and look left, you have clean traffic until here tomorrow, 1800. Or even like 1788. Like look at the ranges we have looking left. It's super clean. So just wait up for tomorrow. You have more positions tomorrow.
Don, I got a question.
Yo.
Let's say it wicks down, touches that first resistance, and then it doesn't close below. Would you still try to go for a sell on a wick fill?
Like my bias will still be bearish, yeah, for tomorrow. Also, even if you close respecting that support, it'll still be bearish. However, like I won't take sells until like this. Obviously, the smaller time frame closes below the ranges that are like range day, right?
Yeah. Thanks for the host.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Peace out, stream. Hopefully, you guys had a great session. Great low FOMC.
Peace and love.
Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
To your ex, he's a waste man. I wanna know how come we can never slash and stay friends. I'm blamed for real, I might just say how I feel. I'm blamed for real, I might just say how I feel.